Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying firmware and opening Ledger Live. This reduces compatibility issues. Once connected, set a PIN you can remember but others cannot guess, because the PIN protects device access. Then generate and write your 24-word recovery phrase on the supplied sheet. Do not store it digitally. Make sure to double-check each word's spelling and position, because a single error prevents wallet recovery. After that, confirm the recovery phrase on the device to complete initialization and move to app setup. Next, you install only the specific blockchain apps you will use to minimize attack surface. Ledger Live's manager handles this. Once installed, add corresponding accounts in Ledger Live and always verify each receive address directly on the device screen, because the host computer can be compromised. If you require stronger protection, enable an optional passphrase. Remember, a passphrase creates a separate hidden wallet. Once accounts are added and verified, you can receive funds and prepare for transactions with confidence. To complete a transaction, initiate it in Ledger Live and then review the full details on your Ledger screen. You must approve each field because the device signs securely. If something goes wrong, like a connection failure, first try a different USB cable and port, then reinstall Ledger Live and update drivers. This resolves most issues. If you ever need to recover, use only your written 24-word phrase on a real Ledger device and never enter it into software or websites to avoid theft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.